Yes, you come over here. It's all yours now, not just mine. A big round of applause for your own students. Can you just follow that you got me for that chapter?
For me, World Merit is that platform where, I can get change in my country, my college. I know my dream is very big, but sometimes I'll fall. But I don't care. Every time I will rise up. For me, World Merit is that place when I will get my name, my college name recognized there, and my entrepreneurship development cell that we have in our college. That should be at a global platform. Dr. AIT, according to me, everybody on the earth, everybody in the world should know Dr. AIT.
Yeah.
My dream is that. And I will do anything for society. Whatever I can do, doesn't matter whether it is small or less. But I want to give up my 100%. Whether today I'm falling, I don't care. People are laughing, I don't care. But I will still go ahead with my dreams. Thank you, Sister.
Big round of applause. Thank you so much. Big round of applause for her. I told you, I'm no story. I would love to listen to more stories that I can help create, and I'm glad I was a part, at least 1% to help Mr. Mohan BN. I was at least a 0.1% help to Mr. Anil Kumar, and maybe a 1.1% for Mr. Bharat GC, because I believe they become what they are because of their efforts and not because of me. Put your hands together for the next lady. I would love to invite on stage is Miss Sirisha NK to share 1 minute with you of why she is totally amazing. A big round of applause. Big round of applause. Come on. Kali or Kali, जोर से देने का असर होता है. Come on, big round of applause.
I have a lot of questions for you people. How many of you play basketball?
I did once upon a time.
I do as well. How many of you know Bharatanatyam?
I'm on a base so much.
Okay, how many of you are not from RV college? How many of you can speak in 6 languages? Or at least 3? 3? Great, awesome. How many of you have built at least one robot?
Myself.
Awesome, amazing. How many of you have, played video games for 16 hours continuously? How many of you have spent days together in beaches? In the beaches. I have done all these as well. I'm a girl from a very small town. I did my schooling from ACS Saila. It's a very small town in Uttar Kannada district. It has an India parkland, 30 kilometers surrounded by forest and just one school. And it was very difficult during my schooling days, but all that I had was the freedom given by my dad, and I did experiment all my life doing all the things. I'm not as good as Mohan sir or Anil sir, but all that I did throughout my life was experiment with it. I am a Bharatanatyam dancer. I have learned Bharatanatyam for 8 years. I'm a classical singer. I have learned it for 8 years as well. Yes, I'm an engineering student, and yes, I have won the national conference as well, which had people from 30 different colleges participating in it, and I won the first prize. But I was never, what I did throughout my engineering as well was just to experiment with it. I wanted to know every single aspect and every single field. I happened to, experiment with Photoshop, and sir happened to tag me as the head of VAK, that is Visual Ammunition Kit. So the one message that I want to give you all is experiment thoroughly with your life. I still do not define myself. I am tagged as online business manager at Education Unlimited, but I still cannot say I am an online business manager. I still cannot define myself completely because I have the entire life in front of me. They say there is a very famous quote that when you reach the end of the rope, what should you do? When you reach the end of the rope, what should you do?
Tie another one.
You need to tie a knot and hang on.
Oh my God.
Has been, I definitely reach rogue, experimenting throughout after my college days, and I did tire hard. And right now, I work as a one-person scientist at Inspiration Unlimited. My one message to all of you here is experiment thoroughly. You've got the time to test and see all that you can, all the fields, and then think through what you're good at. Never stop at one thing. Never stop at a job. Never stop at doing something. But give yourself sufficient time and learn all the things possible. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. A big round of applause. Thank you so much. I was asked to speak for 40 minutes, and I hope I'm trying my best to speak through them. So I have the next person to bring up on stage. She's someone who belongs to your college. She's someone who's been studying. She's someone who's been responsible in the last week, along with her exams, to address more than 13,000 government school kids in Bangalore in 65 government schools, and currently every single principal of that college or school is actually thanking her for changing the lives of these small kids. And now in this week of her holidays, she is on her way to actually make lives brilliant for 3,000 young girls of our country who are underprivileged. Big round of applause for Miss Harshita, and please welcome her on the stage. Big round of applause for Miss Harshita. Come on. 13,000 government school kids during her examination, and that was not easy. And that's the real examination. जिंदगी आपको ये नहीं पूछती है कि आपका एग्जाम है या आपकी छुट्टी चल रही है. अगर आपका सपना है तो चाहे एग्जाम है या नहीं है, सपना जिंदा होना चाहिए और सपने की तरफ कदम चलते जाने चाहिए. Am I
Right.
Very much.
Yes.
मैं थोड़ा ऊंचा सोचता हूँ. 8 साल से चिल्ला चिल्ला के मेरे ही कान खराब हो. Am I right that way?
Yes.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
How many of you here are just average students?
I
People who
was.
just try
Below.
their hardest to just pass.
I was.
Well, I really was one of them. And it really broke my heart when all my friends got into amazing colleges like IIT and everything. I was the only one left in Bangalore. And that was the day I thought that I'm going to grab every opportunity that's going to come in my way. And the only thing that I kept in my mind was I want to be a topper once in my class, not because I want to show anybody in the world that I can do it, but to myself that I can actually achieve something big. If I don't become a topper once, I'll have it my whole life that I can't achieve much. So I'm working really hard towards it. It's not easy for somebody, average student, to be a topper, and I hope I'm doing my best at it. And this opportunity came to me of IU 1010, that was during my exams. And I really didn't want to take it because I didn't want to jeopardize that with my exams and everything. I just wanted to go my way. And then my sisters, they actually pushed me to it. They know it's okay, exams come all the way, but you really have to take it up. And in 9th standard, I was a blogger. I have blogged down like a lot of blogs. 10th standard, and I was a great poet. Everybody knew me for my poetry skills and my speaking skills. And then when I came to PUC and engineering, all of them just stopped. And thanks to Sujit Lalwani sir, he brought out the author in me, he brought out the speaker in me, he brought out the social servicer in me. Just 2 more minutes, and then my blogs have been viewed by 3,000 people across the globe in a matter of just 3 weeks.
Big round of applause.
Wonderful.
Responsible for educating around 13,000 students in a matter of just 5 days.
Can we have a big
Brilliant.
round of applause again?
Brilliant.
And this is the reason why all this happened. Thank you so much.
Let me tell you, this is not at all me why this happened. This is you because of which it happened. I told you, in IU, it's not I, it's you.
Right that way.
Right that way.
Yes.
Yes.
इतना कम बोल दियो, vocal cord shake करो. Am I right that way?
Yes.
Thank you. I wish I could keep calling more stories, but I would love to just call this final individual, who is the indoor cricket team captain for our country. And I'm glad, and I'm so glad to be mentoring this fellow. He's one of the brilliant guys I've seen. The commitment that he has is his thumb was broken and he had pus coming out of his thumb when he was playing for our country. And he just told himself, if the people in army can leave their families and fight, I can forget my thumb and fight. Please put your hands together. Put your hands together for Nikhil Kanchan. Big round of applause for this boy. Come on. He's a buzz out. He's an engineer now, but he is from that place called Udupi, Uttarakhand, right? And that topper place, right? Big round.
First of all, I would like to thank the Almighty, my parents and my mentors, Mohan sir, Bharat sir, Sujit sir, Kunal sir, and all of them who have supported me this long. I've graduated from BIT. You must have known, all of you must have known BIT college.
Yes.
I just recently graduated from BIT, and I just wanted to do engineering. It was like a usual flow. Everyone, family used to